about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for another edition of Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And every month we also feature a news article to tell you, what's going on around the island. And also from that we can teach you some Hakka phrases. 好像今天这个主题呢会跟客家这个语言很有关系，对不对？ Alright, let's hear the article first.The
Zhaoan Hakka Festival is an annual event showcasing the endangered Zhaoan dialect and culture. Every September, the festival attracts tourists to Yuanlin County with singing and performances, all in the Zhaoan dialect. They welcome visitors to come and check it out.
Oh, so this article is about a festival that is about a certain dialect. 其实我们在这个客语里面呢有很多腔调，有5大腔嘛，
对啊，
所以这个是诏安腔的一个客家文化节就对了。
就是云林地区他们讲的是诏安腔。
Oh, okay, so this is in Yunlin County, and I think 它好像就是叫做云林诏安客家文化节嘛。That's just one of the 5 dialects in the Hakka culture. We actually mainly teach 2 different dialects. 我们在我们的这个客语单元里面，通常都是教四线还有海陆，会点到海陆，对不对？
对。
好，是不是有一个说法，因为有5个腔嘛，所以把它结合在一起，叫什么？
四海大平安，四海太平安。
四海太平安。This is a very funny phrase that they put together, and it actually combines the 5 dialects, taking one word from each, and means peace everywhere. 四海大平安是什么呢？四线。Okay, that's the main dialect that we teach here.
吸烟穷。
吸烟穷哦，不是要吸烟哦，不混吸烟 ，OK？但是可以讲吸烟穷 ，all right? And then the other one is 海陆腔 right?
会六穷。
Okay, that's another dialect that we touch on sometimes. 好，接下来这3个我们比较不常教到，那我们现在来教怎么讲这些 dialect，OK？ 再来的就是大是大埔对。
太埔穷。
Okay, that's a 3rd dialect. Then there's 平饶平that's right.
牛平穷。
Okay, that's the 4th dialect. And then finally, that's associated with this festival that you just heard is actually 诏安腔嘛。
招安穷。
Okay, again, that's the one that the article was referring to about that festival that happens this month.
四海太平安。
All right, now you know it, and that's another edition of Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.